eyes focuses the image of the object on retina, so a person is able to see the things clearly. For example, this is the eye, this is eye lens, these are the rays coming from the object, and this eye lens focuses these rays on the retina. This is so image of the object formed on the retina. The minimum distance up to which a normal human eye can see the objects is called its near point. For normal human eye, near point is 25 centimeters. And the farthest distance up to which a normal human eye can see the objects is called its far point. And for normal human eye, far point is infinity. Thus, a normal human eye can see the objects placed between 25 centimeter and infinity. But sometimes, eye lens is not able to focus the image of the object on retina. In such case, vision of the person becomes blurred, and the person either cannot see the nearby objects clearly, or he is not able to see distant objects clearly. This is called defects of vision or defects of eye. There are three common defects of eye. These are myopia, presbyopia, and hypermetropia. Let's start with myopia. First one is myopia. Myopia is also called nearsightedness or short-sightedness. As the name says, in this case, a myopic person can able to see the nearby things clearly, but he is not able to see distant object properly. For example, a student having myopia sitting in the last bench of the class is able to read his book placed in front of him, but he is not able to see the text written on the blackboard properly. In such case, far point of the myopic person becomes less than infinity. Let's see. Suppose this is the eye. This is the myopic eye. And these are the rays coming from a distant object falling on the eye lens. In this case, eye lens is not able to focus the image on the retina. In spite of this, it focuses the image before the retina. So, if vision becomes blurred and person is not able to see properly. In such case, far point becomes less than infinity. Suppose this is eye lens. Suppose this is the farthest distance up to which this myopic eye can see. Then the rays coming from the object placed here are focused by eye lens on the retina, and image is formed on the retina. So this farthest distance up to a myopic eye can see the object is called far point of the myopic eye. We can show this as far point of the myopic eye. There are some reasons of the myopia. First one is myopia is caused due to high converging power of eye lens. Because of high converging power of eye lens or due to low focal length, eye lens focuses the image before the retina. Second reason is because of elongation of eyeball. In such case, eyeball becomes elongated so that image of the object is not focused on the retina. Eye defect myopia can be corrected using a concave lens. Let's see how. Suppose this is the myopic eye. We know that myopic eye can see the objects placed at its far point. Suppose it is the far point of myopic eye. We use concave lens in this case. This concave lens, suppose these are the rays coming from a distant object. First, these rays falls on this concave lens. This concave lens diverges the rays, and this lens forms a virtual image of the object on the far point of the myopic eye, like this. And now the image at the far point act as object for the eye lens, and this eye lens can see the object placed at far point, and it forms the image of this object on the retina. This is how using a concave lens we can correct myopia. We can calculate the focal length of the lens using in case of myopia. In such case, suppose in this case rays are coming from the infinity. So here in this case, distance of the object from the lens u is equals to infinity, and this eye lens, this concave lens is forming the image at far point. So value of v, that is distance of the image from the lens, is far point, distance of far point, and since it is in the opposite direction of the incident rays, it is in minus. So by using lens formula, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equals to 1 upon f. This is the lens formula. If you put these values here, then 1 upon v is minus fm minus 1 upon infinity equals to 1 upon f. This infinity becomes 0, and write 1 upon minus fm minus 0 is equals to 1 upon f, or from here we can say f is equal to minus fm. That means focal length of the lens used is equal to the far point of the myopic eye. There, here minus sign shows the concave lens. Next defect is hypermetropia. Number 2 is hypermetropia. This is also called farsightedness or long-sightedness. A hypermetropic person is able to see the distant objects clearly, but he is not able to read not able to see nearby objects clearly. For example, a hypermetropic person is able to read the number plate of the car at a distant place, but he is not able to read the book placed in front of him. In case of myopic eye, near point of the eye, in case of hypermetropic eye, near point of the eye becomes more than 25 centimeter. Let's see here. Suppose it is eye. Suppose this is 25 centimeter distance near point of a normal. In such case, rays coming from the nearby object is not focused on the retina, but it is focused beyond the retina, like this. Here image is formed. In such case, near point of the eye becomes more than 25 centimeters. Suppose suppose it is the now near point of hypermetropic eye. Then object placed at this distance the image of the object placed at this distance is focused on the retina. So person is able to see the object at this distance clearly. There are some reasons because of this hypermetropia can occur. First one is due to the low converging power of eye lens. Low converging power or high focal length. Because of low converging power of eye lens, image of the object formed beyond the retina. Second reason is eyeball becomes too small or too short. Because of this reason, eyeball becomes too short. Suppose this is the eyeball for the hypermetropic eye, it is become small. So the image formed beyond the retina. These are the reasons for the hypermetropia. Hypermetropia can be corrected by using convex lens. Let's see how. This is the eye lens.